Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're setting our sights on the mid-size pickup truck segment is about to get a whole lot more interesting with the arrival of the 2025 Fiat Fullback. This exciting new offering from the iconic Italian automaker promises to inject some European flair into the traditional American truck formula. The Fullback combines legendary Fiat style with rugged capability, making it an intriguing option for a wide range of drivers, from worksite warriors to off-road explorers and everyone in between. Engine performance. Fiat's not messing around under the hood. The Fullback packs a 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine, available in two flavors: 148 horsepower for those who prioritize fuel efficiency, and a heartlier 178 horsepower for those who need to tow heavy loads or conquer rough terrain. Both options come with a choice of either a smooth shifting 6-speed manual or a convenient 5-speed automatic transmission. The key here is torque, that pulling power that gets you going when the going gets tough. The Fullback delivers 430 Newton-meters of torque, which means it can handle a hefty payload or trailer without breaking a sweat. And with four-wheel drive standard, this Fiat is happy to explore far beyond the pavement. Design utility. Now, let's talk about what this truck looks like. Fiat hasn't strayed from their signature Italian design language, even on a pickup. The Fullback has a bold, muscular stance that commands attention on the road. It boasts a chiseled front grille with the iconic Fiat logo prominently displayed, flanked by sharp headlights that project a confident gaze. The sculpted hood hints at the power lurking beneath the surface, while the muscular wheel arches give the impression that this truck can handle any terrain you throw at it. But it's not all about show. The designers haven't forgotten about functionality. The cargo bed has been redesigned for increased durability, so you can load it up with tools, equipment, or outdoor gear with confidence. The tailgate even boasts integrated LED taillights for better visibility at night or in low light conditions. In essence, the Fullback is a truck that's both head-turning and hard-working. Fiat is making a big play for value with the Fullback. This truck is expected to be one of the most affordable options in its class without sacrificing capability. It's a perfect choice for first-time truck buyers or those who need a reliable workhorse that won't break the bank. But affordability isn't the only story. The Fullback also boasts a surprisingly comfortable ride, thanks to its well-tuned suspension. Plus, it offers modern infotainment features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to keep you connected on the go. So whether you're a contractor, a weekend warrior, or someone who needs a truck that can handle both work and play, the 2025 Fiat Fullback is definitely worth considering. It's a powerful, affordable, and surprisingly stylish pickup truck that brings Italian flair to the American tradition. Stay tuned for further updates as we get closer to the official release date. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the Fiat Fullback. Would you consider a European truck? Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more car reviews and upcoming content. Thanks for joining us.